Hello everyone, I'm Captain Cobble, and today I'm just continuously working on my 300ZX. Right now I'm just trying to figure out how much rust I exactly have in the floorboards, so I know if I need to order any more metal or not. I'm going to be trying to do this welding myself, show the updated product once I get it welded. But I have a flux core welder, which not the best for welding floor pans, but you know, you gotta make do with what you got. And I didn't want to spend the money on a expensive welder to just do floor pans on one car. Kind of figured out a quick method for getting all this old factory sound deadening out. All I'm doing is taking my pry bar like this with a dead blow hammer and just, you can see how fast it kind of gets a big chunk out of it out with very little effort. Anyway, I've just been trying to get this for the past maybe 20 minutes. I've been like cutting some of this out, as you can see right there. Right here I've been cutting out stuff. I've just been trying to chip away at some of this. So anyway, I guess maybe time lapse how long it takes me to get all this out. Anyways, I'll yes. Well, ow. This is so important. Ah. Like, ooh, come on. Come on. Man, that's pretty tough on your forearm. Ah, it's like furiously masturbating. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so I only have a small little section right here that's left. And of course I didn't bring out my wrenches or anything to get this ground cable undone. So we're just gonna have to send it. There we go. Almost. Okay, so yeah, this is how everything looks now that I've gotten all of this sound deadening material out from it. So there's still some rust spots like right here and all along this. Here, let me get this out of the way. Okay, so this is how everything's looking. I know there's a big section right there, and there's some right here. All of this will be filled in with good metal. I don't think this is an issue. I'll just get some rust converter to do that. And this is gonna be patched too. In this tiny, tiny hole where there's a like tear in the sound deadening material, which is so weird to say. Yeah, anyway, I'll get started on this section right here up into the floorboard. The floorboard doesn't look too bad, but I guess I'll just have to see how it looks up under the sound deadening material. So I guess we should get started. So I think what I'll do is just try to get to these sections, see if they're rusty or rusty enough that I have to replace them. Because I know up here I should be fine, except for maybe right there. The other side is really bad, just because the driver's side window is left open outside for some reason. Enough with my jibber jabber though. I guess I should finish this whole thing up. Ow! Fucking! Ah! Hit my freaking top of my hand. Well, there's definitely been blood for the blood god today. I mean, I'm not bleeding, thankfully, but man, that hurt. I hit myself square right there with my dead blow hammer. Guess I should just man up and finish the task. Alright, so I got most of the sound deadening material out of the way of these lower sections, and you can see like right here, there's a little bit of a thing going on. Oh, like right there, it's tiny, but that'll have to be replaced, of course. Some smaller ones right here, you know, right around there by the ECU. That's fine, but you know, sometimes you buy something and start digging into it and you're like, well, fuck. Well, this is my well, fuck moment. Well, shizzle sticks. All right, so I'm back at working on the Nissan again. I'm about to spray some rust performer in some of the spots that are rusty but don't really need to be patched. So you can see over here, I have rust performer, have my handy dandy electric leaf blower, so I'm just gonna start, you know, and we'll see you, or I'll talk to you guys once I'm done. Alright, so I just got through using that leaf blower to get everything, but it left quite a bit of stuff on my dash and everything, so that's gonna have to be cleaned. But I'll just go ahead and start putting rust performer on some of the spots that aren't really too rusty, like right here and here, right around here, I think, and up here. That's really all that, well, and also, well, I don't know. Thinking maybe right here too, where it's just surface rust from what I found yesterday. Maybe up around here. I mean, this side actually isn't as bad as the driver's side, which I guess I should go ahead and show. So, starting up before I move the seat, I already marked some spots where it's pretty bad, like right here, and obviously right there, because holy cow, look at all of that. And there's this spot right here, which isn't too bad. Not sure about that. That's pretty bad too. And then if you look way out over here, right there in that corner, it's pretty bad. Now for the worst spot, we'll just kind of go along with the seat. Don't want to show the surprise just yet. There we go. Let's move that. Oh, you could already tell just by, but here it is, the worst. Like, holy cow. This requires some work. It's even bad all the way over here underneath this wiring loom. So all of this is gonna have to be replaced, unfortunately. Yeah, I didn't realize when I bought the car that it was so bad. I mean, the carpet was really hiding it. You know, whatever. This is what happens when a car gets left outside for who knows how many years with the driver's side window down. Anyway, you know, we'll start getting spraying on some of the not so bad spots. You know, I forgot I put this hammer here because I thought I'd be starting to work on getting the sheet metal pieces put in, but I'm just gonna wait a little bit till I can actually figure out how to do this. Because this is the first time I've ever welded floor pans. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. Yeah, I'm not sure where to proceed on this. It sucks that I don't really have a good, well, yeah. I mean, it sucks that I don't have a good thing to follow, but I mean, this is still way better than the driver's side. And you can see every sort of spot that I sprayed. Looks all right. I sprayed way too much right here, but whatever, who cares. But I have like all the interior pieces out of the car just because I want to be ready to weld. I have a new carpet kit that everything's ready, or that I'm ready to put in. I have more sound deadening, although it's not as thick as the factory stuff. I mean, I don't know. Not really. What the fuck? Wait. Look at that. Jeez. Shit, I got distracted. I need to learn some sheet metal fabrication. I tried looking to see if they sell any more floor pans for these, but no, I'm SOL on that. But I should have everything I need. I have panel, crap, I can't even remember what it's called. Let's look. Okay, this is my box of everything that I have ready for it. Okay. So yeah, this is everything that I have that's ready for it. I have some metal. I already have some stuff that I cut out that's rusted that I'm gonna put over on the passenger side. This is a template that I made for driver's side where the seat is, but I have some silver paint that I'm gonna cover the floors with, just so you know they're not bare. I also have some rust reformer. I have undercoating for the bottom side of the car, and I have body seam sealer and 2 big pieces of sheet metal. There. Yeah, 2 bunch of tiny pieces that I want to fill some of those spots in with. That's really all I have. I have a little flux core welder that, I know, it's flux core, that's a pile of garbage already, especially since it's from Harbor Freight, but whatever. Yeah, other than just not really knowing how to proceed, I should be ready to get these floor pans installed. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, please leave a like. Consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already subscribed. All you have to do is hit that big red subscribe button down below, and don't forget to ring the notification bell. And anyways, I hope you all enjoyed.